Gee, the box is a bit trashed, isn't it? What do you reckon?
Just get it.
Should we get it?
You're gonna regret it. I know you will.
I have had it. That's it. There is a limit to how much I can take.
What is that, YouTube? Another day, another box opening. Today we have Chucky from Home Depot. I think it's an exclusive to Home Depot, not 100%, but quite possibly. But all week people have been trying to get them at a local Home Depot, and then yesterday I went in there and literally as I walked in there, they just got them in. So we weren't going to buy them, but as you saw by the beginning of the video, well, obviously see now on the video, we did get them. So, okay, we're going to open them up. I'll show you the bits. This is what he looks like inside. So, Mr. Chucky. You have the base, the stand. We have a leg. We have another leg. We have an arm with a hand already attached. Well, that's kind of weird, the hand's already attached, isn't it? With the other hand really already attached. With a stabby. We have the mechanics. We have the plug. We have the instructions. Oh, it's licensed, universal. None of this knockoff stuff. And get the things to open. Universal. One beauty. Another shoe. His outfit. Let's have a quick look at his outfit. So the outfit is all in one. Look at that, adorable. And it's got like a zip, it's not even Velcro at the back, there's a little zipper at the back. Zipper, very fancy. If you had a small kid, you could probably dress them in that. See that? There he is. Howdy ho! And here is a little bit nearer. There he is. And oh, his head's like, oh, he has the sticker came off beautifully. Look at that head. But yeah, he's got look how cool his face is. It's like super rubber. Very cool button. You saw in the previous video, he's got a bit of a box head. But yeah, there is his head. One leg.
Big guy on first. One leg.
Like so. I suppose it's going to be the easiest animatronic of all times. Apart from maybe the Pumpkin Twins. So this is outfit. Then the mechanics. They'll go upside down. on hand. And this also just matches up with the two little things there. This one with the stabby.
Ah, he's already cool. I saw him in the store because they made him in the store as I was waiting.
Okay, and then obviously this goes in the same way. Not so straightforward. It has one of them little, if you watch my Frankenstein video, not you can see, but they have these little clip bits on them now. So keep them in place. Okay, so let me just put this little clippy bit back on. These little clippy bits. Another clippy bit on the neck. Oh, which I just dropped.
I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it. I have had it. That's it. There is a limit to how much I can take. As a dog, I'm infamous. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history, and I don't want to give that up. I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it.
See, his hair's a little bit
Go
wild,
ahead
isn't
and
it?
shoot. I'll be back. I always come back.
Chucky, mate, you need
I
a
have had it.
You need
That's
a-
it. There is a limit to how much I can take.
you need a hair
As a
clip.
dog, I'm infamous. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history, and I don't want to give that up.
Look at his cheeks.
I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it.
Ah, he's amazing. He's so good. Okay, guys, that was it. Chucky Home Depot unboxing and setup. Literally, this is the most easiest setup I've ever done. Animatronic, there he is. Dimples and all. Little 3.5 foot, bless his little cotton socks. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. And it's goodbye from Chuckwick.